I'm Dad.
Hey, I'm Audrey.
And this is Good Questions for Dad. Without Emily edition. Because you know why she's not here?
With her friend.
Yes. Because 2 days ago was the first day of fall. In case you didn't know, it was the Autumnal Equinox. And I woke up this morning and I said, girls, we're going to do a science lesson. And we're going to learn what the Autumnal Equinox means.
Emily's not.
Exactly. Because she said, Dad, can I go out and pick apples and climb trees with a friend of mine, Riley, name drop, and not actually do the science lesson with you? I said, sure, daughter. You go run and frolic in nature, and we will actually we'll actually go to a farm. I think we went to a farm. Did we not go to a farm today?
We did.
We did.
We did.
Okay, because I said, you know what?
Let's show them on the show.
We are going to have a science lesson today. And Emily's going to be pretty disappointed. Because guess what? Even though the autumnal equinox has to do with the 23.5 degree angle of the Earth and the orbit around the sun and blah, 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 we're not doing it that way. We're doing it GQ Dad way.
We're doing food way.
Now first, very, very important, anytime you parents are going to sit down with your kids, okay, and if you want them to sit down with you and not go apple picking with their friends, what the first thing you need to do, get out a drink.
Get out a drink.
Nothing better for fall than apple cider.
Apple cider.
So you get the apple cider. Here you go, daughter.
Why are you switching?
There's ours right there, and get a little cheers. Happy fall.
Oh, that is good.
That is good. Now, the next thing you want to do anytime you want to force your kids to do something they would not normally do, you need to bribe them.
Candy!
So we got candy. We got Airheads. They're not a sponsor.
Wait. They're not a sponsor yet, so don't even say it!
Okay. There's some candy for you. Okay. I know some of you out there are like, Dad, this isn't very sciencey. This isn't very sciencey. Oh, trust me. We'll get there. Okay? Because, now...
Who likes candy most? Candy. Kids. Where's that candy?
And adults. And adults. You want me to, I can open one for you too. You can say that. But Audrey, tell me, what does the Earth go around?
This one.
Oh, very good. That's right. Thank you.
I knew that already from...
Thank you, Copernicus and Galileo, name drop, for figuring that one out, that the Earth actually goes around the sun.
Pie!
And what better way to symbolize our sun today than a blueberry pie from a farm that I didn't even have to walk very far to get to. I don't know where she's gone already too. See, so besides, it's tricky. Hopefully she's going to come back because every good pie / sun.
Yeah, Daddy, you can open that. You can open that.
Whipped cream. Okay.
Oh, I wish we had cherries. That would have been so good.
Okay.
Yeah, you can open this.
So we've got our sun here, the center of our solar system. Okay.
And what we need to eat with is...
Oh, you need a spoon?
Yes.
Sure. I got there. Here, take that.
Spoons.
Okay. What planet do we live on, Audrey?
Earth.
Earth. Very good. Now, do you know what is bigger, the sun or the Earth?
Sun.
The sun is much bigger than the Earth. So
But
our
from
Earth
far
today,
away, it looks so tiny.
That's right. From far away, it looks very, very tiny. But today, symbolizing the Earth today, will be sugar donuts made at the same farm that Emily actually went to today. We went to as well. We got the pie. Would you like a donut? Here, take a donut.
Wait, put that back in.
Okay, well, here, you can hold that one. What shape is the Earth?
What?
What shape? Are you with me? Are you gonna? Okay. What shape is the Earth?
A circle.
It is a circle. So what you want to do, parents, is you want to take the donut, okay? You want to smush it up into a sphere.
I'm not doing that.
You don't.
A
These are
sphere.
yours. These are yours. Boom.
A sphere,
Okay.
a cylinder, a cube, and
Well,
and a pyramid.
and a pyramid. Okay, so what we got here, and where does Santa Claus live?
In the North Pole.
The North Pole, which is the opposite of the South Pole. Right.
South Pole.
So for our demonstration of why the equinox is called the equinox, this is going to be our pole, okay? It's very important that you guys understand that the North Pole, there is a sort of, it is always pointed in one particular direction.
You can only have those two.
Okay, that sounds fair enough to me. Fair enough to me.
Okay,
Let's-
you're up.
Okay, so what we got here is our North Pole. Earth is somewhere out like here. Okay. I'm gonna try some of this pie before I get going. I mean, it's just begging to be eaten. That's good. Now you could use an apple as your,
Yeah, it's good.
because that would be round and smaller than the sun, but we're waiting on Emily to bring the apples home. I didn't want to get apples on this trip. I thought Emily can pick them for us, and we'll, actually we got plums is what we went and bought. We'll get the donuts, can, and pie. So, North Pole, no matter what, will always be facing one direction. Scooch, not the band. So it circles around the Earth, circling around, circling around the sun, circling around the sun. It's called the orbit. What's that called?
Orbit.
There goes our North Pole.
Orbit.
Oh God,
See, it's gonna
Earth
fall.
is in bad shape. Okay, so it's pointing this way. If you lived here and the North Pole is pointing at the sun, what season do you think it is if we are the closer to the sun? Do you think we'll be hot or cold?
We'll be cold.
If not, if the
I
North
mean, hot.
hot, right?
I like to
So
say
at this point, this would be our summer, what would be called the summer solstice, longest day of the year, most sun. And as it moves, remember that North Pole stays straight, stays just like that. And it comes around here, and when it gets to this side, and the North Pole is
It's
pointing
summer.
away,
It's summer for that side.
for the South Pole, southern hemisphere would be summer, but what would we be at?
Cold.
Cold, we'd have the winter solstice.
So we're right there.
That's right, we have moved from summer here,
To fall.
equinox meaning equal,
To fall.
to fall. The autumnal equinox now, in which there is an equal amount of daylight and an equal amount of night. And as we will slowly, for the next few months, make it to this section until it's about
Winter.
Christmas time, and then we'll have the darkest day of the year, and it will be cold. And it will continue to move this way with the North Pole staying in its position, the Earth falling apart due to global warming. We will then become, it will be the spring, or the vernal equinox.
And then finally
And
to
back,
summer.
back here to summer. But we are right here. Happy fall. It is definitely one of the better times of the year. The
You
harvest.
squished the poor little earth.
Gotta be careful when you're playing God. You know, Mary Shelley said that. Name drop. She's the one that wrote Frankenstein. So there you go. I think that was fairly
Fun.
educational, and
Fun.
I think you learned something here. I think you actually could go to school and maybe explain
To everybody.
if they've got. Do you have pie in your school?
Nope.
Whipped cream,
Nope.
Airheads,
Oh.
donuts,
Mm.
apple cider.
No.
Maybe I should start teaching at your job, at your school. That's what I think should happen. Well, happy fall, everybody. happy autumnal equinox. And, you know, science. It's the wave of the future.
Here, eat some.
All right. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, Audrey, kill it, Audrey.